Okay, so my presentation is concerned with anomaly detection. The title actually suggests that I will be also talking about one particular mechanism which can be used for flagging anomaly, and we'll see where it fits in. But the whole talk is primarily about detecting something unusual in using machine perception systems. So this is the plan. I will introduce the problem of anomaly detection and then briefly review the state of the art, and we'll see that the current state of the art is focusing primarily on sort of classical notion of anomaly, and we'll be talking about the deficiencies of this classical notion of anomaly, and come up with a proposal how perhaps anomaly should be dealt with in more complex systems that machine perception systems represent, and then a couple of applications will illustrate what I'm talking about. So that's the plan. So, of course, the problem of detecting anomaly is not new, and it's certainly very important for humans and any biological system, because detecting anomaly and being able to detect something unusual can represent a difference between life and death. And in principle, there are sort of many areas where what our task is formulated as checking whether what we are experiencing is consistent with our existing models, or whether there is something unusual that should attract our attention. And one can sort of look for anomaly or define it in many different ways. It can be something which just deviates from a known order. It can be understood as inability of a system to interpret sensor data. Anyway, it may be interpreted as something where our models of various hypotheses do not provide any sensible interpretation for what is being perceived. And for humans, I think the importance of anomaly can